Hi, now let's look at the problem 1b, sorry 1c. So in this diagram, AB is a chord and CD is a chord. These are parallel to each other and the length of the chord AB is 24 centimeter and length of CD is 10 centimeter. The radius of the circle is 13 centimeter and we need to find out the distance between the two chords. The distance between the two chords is nothing but the line NM, since both are angle M is 90 and N is also 90 degree. So this is this would be the NM would be the distance between the two chord AB and CD. So now let's look further. How can we find out the distance? So we know any line drawn from a center of a circle which meets the chord at 90 degree, the chord will be split into two equal parts by the line. So in this case, the line ON meets the chord AB at N. So in this case, N would be the midpoint of the line of chord AB. So we are AN and NB are equal, two equal parts. So we can say AN is equal to 12 centimeter and NB is equal to 12 centimeter. Since we know AB is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Similarly, here, the same case, we can say M would be the midpoint of the chord CD. So this both are equal. So this will be CM would be 5 and MD would be 5. Since our objective is to find the length of NM, so we can find out the length by we can make it easier by joining this line. So this would be the radius, OA is the radius, and this would be 13 centimeter. Now we can find out this length ON using Pythagoras theorem. Since we know AN is 12 centimeter, we know OA is 13 centimeter, and just we can find out the length of ON. Similarly, we can find out the length of OM out here using Pythagoras theorem. So we need to join this line OC. Okay, so OC is nothing but 13 centimeter and we know CM is 5 centimeter and we can solve for OM and OM plus ON would give us the length of the uh, that give us the distance between the two chords which is required in the question. So let's do it in words. So first we know AB which is given is equal to 24 centimeter and we know AB is split into two parts AN and NB. As I said, they are split in equally 12 centimeter 12 centimeters since ON is a line drawn from the center which meets the chord AB at perpendicular degree. In that case, that line ON bisects the chord AB into two parts, AN and NB. So since we know the value of AN for the and we know triangle ANO is a right angle triangle. So for the right angle triangle, we know the hypotenuse is OA. OA square is equal to ON square plus AN square. And OA is nothing but 13. So 13 square is equal to ON square plus AN we know is 12 square. So we bring 12 square to the other side. So it is become 13 square minus 12 square is equal to ON square. So 13 square is 169 minus 12 square, that is 144, is equal to ON square. So 169 minus 144 is 25 is equal to ON square. So if we take a square root on both sides, we get ON square becomes ON and 25 becomes 5. So we have found out the length of ON, that is 5 centimeter. Similarly, we do for the other half. So other half we know CD is equal to 10 centimeter and CD is equal to CM plus MD. So as I said earlier, the line OM is nothing but a line from the center which meets the chord CD at M, uh, uh, which meets it at 90 degree. So which bisects the line chords CD into two parts, CM and MD, and both will be equal. So CM and MD will be 5 centimeter each. Similarly, for triangle OCM, we know it's a right angle triangle. So OC square is equal to OM square plus CM square. OC is nothing but the radius of the circle, that is 13. So 13 square is equal to, let me draw a line so that we don't mix it up. And OM is what we require. So that is we need to solve for it. And CM we just found out it's 5. So it's 5 square. So we bring CM square to the other side. So 13 square, it becomes minus 5 square is equal to OM square. 13 square is nothing but 169. 5 square is equal to 25. 169 minus 25 is nothing but 144 is equal to OM square. So we take square root both sides. So 144, 12 is the square root of 144 and OM square becomes OM. We take all the square. Okay, so we have solved for ON and OM. And OM is nothing but 12. What we have found out. And OM is 5. So the distance, as asked in the question, distance between the two chords is NM. As we know, NM is the first one, and NM is nothing but ON plus OM. And ON we have solved it as 5, and OM we have just we have solved it as 12. So 5 plus 12 is 17. So the distance between the two chord is 17 centimeter.